This is the Arduino-based Wi-Fi server to host web pages over your local area network. Wi-Fi module, ESP8266, is used here to transmit data over Wi-Fi network, and micro SD card is used to store web pages for this server. To demonstrate an application on this server, RGB Lightning system is created. This server is designed on Arduino platform. Connect your server to any Wi-Fi device, like laptop or smartphone. Now put the IP address of the server on address bar of browser. Then the web page from the server will get displayed on the screen of browser. Set the colors and enjoy the lightning.